hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Everyone ready? Voice coming properly, students? Yes, no in the chat section fast. Hi Gokul, hi Chavdi, hi unknown girl, hi Keshav. Everyone is able to hear yes, no, fast. Join everybody fast, fast, fast. Any issue with the sound? Is it proper, not proper? It's clear? Chalo, chalo. Yes, Amaya. Basic properties enough to solve trigonometric problems. You'll be able to see with the previous year's questions I'll be solving. So you'll be able to solve each one of them without much difficulty. Anybody else has any doubt? Ready for today's session? Oh, good, good. Dinner done? Are you all able to see the screen? Is the screen visible, kids? First ITF, then AOD. Come on, everybody fast. Join. Where is Kartike, Lucky, Basha, Sandesh? Where are you all fast? Samiksha. Hi Vidya. Hi Samiksha. Join fast, kids. We'll start. Chalo, let's see. Okay, kids are joining. Okay, just wait for one more minute. We'll start. Till then, everybody is revising. What is the plan? See, last Around 20 days left, students. Okay. Nishat joined. Okay. Now, so for those, the plan should be very, very important. Important chapters first, target, finish it off, and then go for the others. Okay. And do write the mock test. Do write the mock test. Okay. Mock test gives you the preparation. Okay. The more and more you write mock test, at least 4 to 5 mock tests you should write, because that will help you in making the, what is it, time management and other things. Hi Kartike. Clear? Where is Lucky? Join fast. One Samiksha is not there. Hi Vimal. Hi Lucky. Hi Lohit. Hi Sandeep. Good evening, bro. Chalo, almost everybody is there. Okay. Sandesh only is not there, and Gokul is not there. Okay. Chalo, we'll start everybody. Chalo, Gokul is also there. Everybody is there now. So can we start, kids? Now let's study with for the chapter inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function, ITF. Okay, very simple chapter. We will not go in too much depth. We will not go into much depth because for CT and Comedk we don't require that much of that. What keeps coming from this part, students? What keeps coming from this part? Very, 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 very important. Do understand. So what you need to know? The domain and range. The domain and range of each and every function should be learnt by heart. Clear? The domain and range is the most important thing first. Next properties, very important. And third application. Everybody can do this much. What are things you have to take care? Domain, range, properties and application. Is that okay? Everyone, is that okay? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Clear? Chalo. Now, first we should know when a function's inverse exists. We all know, we have learned in chapter relation and functions that for any function to be invertible, it has to be bijective. It has to be bijective. And what is bijective means? 1 1 on 2. What does bijective means? 1 1 on 2. Clear, everyone? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. For a function to be invertible, it has to be 1 1 on 2 or bijective function. 1 1 on 2 or bijective function. Clear, everyone? Chalo. This page, everybody clear? So in this, the most important part that you have to concentrate first, domain, range, properties and application. Clear, everyone? Clear? Chalo. Next. Chalo, next. Clear, chalo. Next. See, if you see trigonometric functions, there are many one on two. There are many one because if you see a lot of sine 0, what do you say? We get 0 for multiple values, correct? 0, 360 degree, what do you say? 360 degree, 180 degree. So there are what? Many one functions. But in order to make them 1 1 on 2, what we have to do? We have to restrict the domain and codomain. We have to restrict the domain and codomain to make them 1 1 on 2. To make them 1 1 on 2. Clear? Every trigonometric function, they are what? Many one on 2. But in order to make them 1 1 on 2, we have to restrict the domain. Means from here to here only we will be taking. Clear? Chalo. Next, first understand, if a function is from A to B, another function is from B to A, they are said to be invertible. They are said to be invertible means inverse exists if fog equal to gof. If fog equal to gof. Now basically what we do in fog and gof, okay, here this is the domain, this is the range. Now in gof, in G function, this became the domain and this became the range. So I just did the reverse interchange. Clear? So when that happens, when that kind of functions we get and fog equal to golf, we say one is inverse of the other. One is inverse of the other. Clear till here, kids? Clear till here? Yes, no, clear till here? Chalo. Clear everyone? Chalo. Very simple concept, okay? Nothing much, nothing question comes, but very important. This part, make it important. This is your Brahmastra. If you want to solve a lot of questions from this chapter, this should be marked up properly. I'll give you the trick also. First, write it down. First, what you do, don't write. I'll show you the trick, memorize by that, and then what you do, without seeing, you write it down. Is that okay? I'll show you the trick, you memorize by that, and then without seeing, you write it down. What do you say, students? Yes, no, are you ready for the challenge? Come on, some energy, people. It's like you haven't eaten anything and come up. What do you say? Yes, no, come on fast. Come on, come on. Lucky said yes. What about others? Very good, very good. See, understand. Very simple, very easy. First, sine inverse x. So, sine inverse x, okay. Domain means x values. Domain means x values. We'll learn trigo also. Domain means the values which you're putting in x. So, from where to where you can put in x? From -1 to 1. Okay. Same cos also from -1 to 1. Clear? Chill. Now, what about the? So, domain of sine inverse, cos inverse, same. Domain of tan inverse and cot inverse, same. Minus infinity to infinity. Here also minus infinity to infinity. Very simple, done. Now, domain of secant inverse is minus infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity. Means there is a gap from all, we can write like all real numbers from -1 to 1. Clear? Cosec inverse x minus infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity, means the moment you see this bracket, it means it will be included. Clear? So, domain is very simple. If you remember, the domain of sine inverse, cos inverse will be done. If you remember the domain of tan inverse, both will be done. And if you remember the domain of secant inverse, both will be done. Clear? So, you just need to remember 3 of the domains. You just need to remember 3 of the domains. Clear? Clear everyone? Chalo. One domain is sine inverse is from -1 to 1. Cos inverse, same thing. Tan inverse, cot inverse, minus infinity to infinity. And secant inverse, cosecant inverse, minus infinity to -1, union 1 to infinity. Clear? Chalo. So, this much now everybody got. Now, what about the range? Range you need to understand. See, sine, for sine it is from where to where? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Clear? That is in which quadrant? First and second quadrant. Minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. This is in which quadrant, students? First and fourth, sorry. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 here, let's say, and positive pi by 2 here. So, first and fourth quadrant. Now, understand, whatever the sine inverse is there, same exactly is there for tan inverse. Whatever you have for sine inverse, exactly same for tan inverse, except in tan 90 value I can't take, because we know tan 90 is what? Not defined. So, tan inverse also not defined. Clear? Tan 90 not defined, that's why tan inverse also not defined. Done. So, that's why what happened? Same thing, but minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to pi by 2, done. Next, secant inverse. So sine inverse, tan inverse and secant inverse, they are like same sisters and brothers. Clear? Now what do you say, if you see, sorry, cosecant, what do you say, secant inverse here, this one and this one. No, not this one, sorry. Cosecant inverse, correct. So here if you'll see, here also same thing. But what is happening? Minus pi by 2, there is a break at 0. Why? Because we know sine 0 is what? Not defined. So here also you can write minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus 0 part. That's it, done. So here all of the range is same, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, tan inverse minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, only difference is open bracket. And here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, only in between one value 0 is not taken. Clear? Only one between value 0 is not taken. What about cos inverse, cot inverse and secant inverse? Same thing, they are now 0 to pi. It is close bracket 0 to pi. Cot inverse will be open bracket 0 to pi, and this one is secant inverse is, what do you say, 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Clear? 0 to pi minus pi by 2, because secant 90 is not defined because cos 90 is 0. So secant 90 means 1 by cos 90, that is equal to not defined. So that's it. So how will you remember? In domain part, we know sine and cosine inverse, cos inverse same, tan and cot same, sec and cosec same. In the range part, sine inverse, tan inverse and cosecant inverse, they are like same. Cos inverse, cot inverse and secant inverse, they are like same. Done. Clear everyone? Yes, no, tell me in the chat section. Otherwise, I'll again explain. Clear? Yes, no. Do you want me to again explain the trick part? So you can go like this. Sine inverse, tan inverse and cosecant inverse. Domain we know, sine inverse minus 1 to 1, tan inverse from where to where? Minus pi to pi, and here cosecant inverse minus pi to pi minus 1 to minus 1 to 1. Clear? Clear? Chalo. What about range, kids? Range very easy, sir. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, close bracket. Tan inverse same thing, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, open bracket. Cosec inverse same thing, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 same, but one thing will come, one thing will change. Now I can't take sine 0, so minus 0. Clear? Very simply I wrote same thing for cos inverse, cot inverse, what do you say, cosec inverse, secant inverse x. Now here again we know how to copy the domain. What is a domain? Just copy it, no issues with the domain. What about the range? Same thing, 0 to pi, open bracket 0 to pi. This is like open bracket 0 to pi minus 1 value which is not taking pi by 2. Clear? Yes, no, kids, come on fast, tell me. Now is it clear? Clear, students? Chalo. So everybody without seeing, write it down and show me. Everybody without seeing, write it down and show me. You won't be able to show at least, but write down fast. I'll give you all 2 minutes, just write down fast. Chalo, let's everybody, without seeing, just remember that God is watching you, no cheating, okay? Chalo. Good, Pavitra ma'am. What about others? Fast, fast. Good, good, good. So everybody got it now. It is easy to remember. See, the domain are damn simple and the range also same thing. Just the whether it will be square bracket, open bracket, or one value will be removed. That's it. So you can remember like this: square bracket, what do you say, normal bracket, or one value to be removed. That's it. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes, no in the chat section. Clear, everyone? So you can remember like this also: square bracket, normal bracket, one value to be removed. Clear? And the value which you are removing is from the close bracket. Chalo, let's see this. Now this is the what do you say, part where we show the graph that sin x is like a many one function, and we cut the graph of sin x, okay, from where to where, from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now see here till in this region it doesn't repeat. for one value of x, one value of y, one value of x, one value of y, one value of x, one value of y, one value of x, one value of y. So we cut it and then we make a part of the graph of sin x like this, and then with respect to y is equal to x as a mirror, we draw the mirror image. So whatever we get, that is the graph of sin inverse x. Whatever we get, that is the graph of sin inverse x. Clear? Clear? So this you don't need, just I am showing it so that you understand. So just I am showing it so that you understand how it is done. Okay. So we don't need all this. What we need to remember is what is the domain. So in x axis we are putting from where to where, -1 to 1, and how much is the range, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Clear? Okay. So here just I wanted to show from where to where we are going and which way we are going. So if you see inverse, its x axis we are going till 1 max and minimum -1. So if somebody asked you, so what you need to remember in this, in sine inverse function, what is the maximum value kit? You'll say 1, sir. Clear? Illa. Okay, a lot of people they do mistake. What they do, they remember of sin x cos x. They remember of sin x and cos x. That, sir, in sin x, okay, what is my value? Maximum value 1, minimum value -1. Inverse, it's opposite, kids. Inverse what happens? Maximum value is what? Pi by 2, and minimum value is what? Minus pi by 2. What are the maximum x values we can put? What do you say? 1, and minimum x value -1. That's it. These are the x values, domain values. Okay. Clear? Everybody got this point? This -1 to 1 is what? Your x. What is the value x is taking from -1 to 1? Clear? And what is the total I am getting? This one, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Clear, everyone? Yes, no in the chat section fast. Yes, no in the chat section fast. Got it, everybody? Got it, everybody? Lucky got it. What about others? Yes, no. If you didn't get, don't, what do you say? Hesitate, ask it. See, what we need to remember is the last part. What we need to remember is the last part. That in sine inverse x, what is the value of x I am putting? From where to where? I am putting the value of x from -1 to 1. And if I am putting -1 to 1, what is the maximum value I am getting? Pi by 2. What is the minimum I am getting? Minus pi by 2. So say your brain like this. Your brain, when you are doing the question, you will be able to do it more properly. Good, Karthike. You asked to repeat. Now see it, bro. What I'm trying to say, whenever I take sine inverse function, so in this x, what are the values I'm putting? From -1 to 1 I'm putting. From where to where? From -1 to 1 I'm putting. Clear? And after putting -1 to 1, what is the value I'm getting? The total I'm getting maximum value pi by 2, minimum value minus pi by 2. Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Yes, no in the chat section. Come on fast. So this is the thing that we need to know. Clear? Clear, everyone? Chalo. Others. Anybody any doubt? Chalo, we'll move a bit fast. Chalo. Now these are the important formulas that you need to require, that you need to solve this chapter like in a one go shot. Now these are the parts which are important, okay, and these are known as principal what? Values branch, okay. A lot of people they have difficulty. What is range? Range only is principal value branch. Any value which we are getting from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 means principal value branch. Clear? Don't get confused. Principal value branch means the range values. Principal value branch means the range values. No here and there. Clear? Yes, no, fast. Clear everyone? Yes, no, fast. And clear from everybody, fast. Okay. Chalo. Then everybody write down this formula. I'll be back in a minute. Write down this. Hi Rohan, got late, bro. Try not to be late for the class, everybody. Try not to be late for the class. For those who are following the channel, also do join in the WhatsApp group KCT Comedk, okay, and we'll be putting the update there for the class, so do not miss it. Chalo. Once you have written, do tell me, students. Chalo, everybody done. Let's see the next page. Fast. Now next, this is also very important when sine and sine inverse gets cut. Here a lot of people they do mistake. They don't see the region. Clear? If I get sine of sine inverse 2, will I be cutting? No. Because x should belong from where to where? Minus 1 to 1. So very important, students. Okay, understand this. Clear? In exam they'll try to fool you and try to make a mistake out of it. Try not to do it. So this part, while remembering this, do remember this. Clear? Yes, no, students. Clear. Yes, no. Chalo, write down fast. थोड़ा लंबा क्लास चलेगा बच्चों, ठीक है, तो खाना पीना खा के आना। चलो, और एनर्जी बचा के रखना बच्चों, ठीक है। सो एवरीबडी हैज द एनर्जी, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आफ्टर ITF विल गो फॉर AOD। चलो डन, रिटर्न एवरीबडी, रिटर्न रिटर्न रिटर्न, चलो 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 फास्ट, एवरीबडी कम ऑन फास्ट। चलो, so everybody written, I'll go for the next page. Yes, no, fast, come on. In the chat section, done, done, done. Come on, I see bit of more of done. Others, fast, fast, fast. Okay, Keshav, done. What about others? Come on, fast. Now, inverse part, very, very, very important. A lot of time we see inverse, people forget. Okay, one question we were doing and they were not able to do. Hi, Sai Mahima, okay. Why no? You haven't done. So inverse part, very, very, very important. Inverse part, very, very important. Okay. How do we take it? Okay. So if I have sine inverse of 1 by 10, that is equal to cosecant inverse 10. So this all you should know. This all is you should know, and very, 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 very important. Okay. Very important. So just write it down. Very, very important. Tan inverse last formula depends on two things. If it is positive, then as it is. If it is negative, bro, then it is minus pi plus cot inverse. Okay, very, very, very important. Mark it down. Clear up? चलो important how बच्चों? Once we are done with this, come on, go fast. We'll do 5 or 6 questions of PYQ and we'll be done with ITF. And once we are done with the ITF part, we'll take a short break, not much. Short break, 10-15 minutes max, and then we'll go for AOD. So no going here and there. Today is a big day. Work hard, be dedicated, okay, and crack a good result in CT or Comedk. Chalo. Next, done everybody. Very, very important. Written, written, written. Chalo. Let's go for the next page. Now, very, very, very important. Which can absorb the sine and which cannot. And if somebody, see, if I put minus to sine inverse, it will come out. If I put minus to cos inverse, it will be pi minus cos inverse. Minus to tan inverse, it will be minus tan. Minus to cot, it will be again pi minus cot inverse. So cos, cot, and secant. If I have a negative value, it will be pi minus that. Okay, you can keep that in brain. Cos inverse Okay, cot inverse and secant inverse. Okay, if I tell them anything, that will be coming out of them. Okay, so what does it means? It means that if I put a negative, pi will come out. If I put a negative, it will be pi minus cos inverse x. Clear? Chalo, very important. This part, very important. Okay, mark it down fast and write down. So your all formula book and everything will be done in one go, one shot, so that you can revise very properly and very efficiently. Don't make your book dirty and all that. Write it down neatly and properly, but fast. Hi Darshan. Chalo, done, fast. But yeah, don't be in a hurry. Don't write one wrong formula written, gone case, because you'll be mugging it up and then you'll be confused in exam. So do check it. Do not do mistake. Do not commit mistake. Chalo, done everybody. Done everybody. Done everybody. Anybody left? Yes, no. Come on, public, fast. Come on, students. Do not delay. Put it in the chat section if you have done. If you have not done, put it fast. See, students, almost 60% of the questions you will be able to solve by this. Sine inverse plus cos inverse, pi by 2. Tan in plus cot, tan inverse plus cot inverse, pi by 2. Secant inverse plus cosecant inverse, pi by 2. Okay. Almost 60% of the question, while we'll be doing the questions, you'll be able to see 60% of the questions done directly like this. Okay. So very important. Mark it important. Okay. Chalo. Let's go for the next. The brother, very important. Tan inverse plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Very important this also. That is tan inverse x plus y by x minus xy if the product of these two is less than 1. Means what? Product of these two is less than 1. So this is important, because which formula to use we need to know. This is important. So when you're writing this formula, write down these two definitely and mark it down. If I multiply, see, if I get tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1/3. So which formula I'll use, student? Which formula I'll use? So this 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, so 1 by 6, it is less than 1. So we'll use directly this formula. Clear? So we have to see. Clear, everybody? Yes, no, fast. Chalo, fast, come on, everybody, write down fast. We have less time and lot to do. Tomorrow be ready for the class 8 to 11. Try not to delay. 8 to 11, 2 to 4 and 8 to 11 again in the night. Okay? Chalo. In between 5 to 6 also is there. So we have to work hard. Okay? Let's finish the half by tomorrow and everything will be done. And then you go for a test part. Chalo. Next, this formula also we use a lot in integration and others. 2 tan inverse x in terms of sine, cos and tan. Very important. 2 tan inverse x in terms of sine, in terms of cos, in terms of tan. So you'll see every formula from here and there, wherever needed, I've taken it, segregated and put it up. So 2 tan inverse x in terms of sine is what? Sine inverse 2 times 2x by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos, that is cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And 2 tan inverse x is equal to, in terms of tan, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Very important formula. Are you all facing any issue with the sound, student? Like any outside noise is a lot more or something like that? Or is it okay? We can take the class. Chalo, then write fast, everybody. Hi, Sachin. No issues. Good, bro. Good. No, because we don't have any sound foam or padding or something here. Okay, it's like, what do you say, secluded. We just have put up, what do you say, some, what do you called, books here and there to, what do you say, so that the outside sound should come less. That's it. So, chalo. Everybody got it? Or do we need to learn that limit? Okay. Yeah, limit is important, bro. Because see, you're trading with sine. So sine inverse is from where? -1 to 1. Cos inverse greater than is 0. You need to know. Because otherwise it won't be. Because negative will come. And here -1 to 1. It's same. Here and here only difference is equal to sine. And here cos always greater than 0. If you learn the limit, you will be in a much better state. No issues in that. It is better. That's why I said formula should be done very properly. Because that will help you to eliminate a lot of options. Done. I'll go for the next page. Come on, fast. Written kids, written, not written, please put it in the chat section fast. And a small request to you all, do inform all your friends, put it in the status. Do inform, it's a very small channel. We need all your support, okay? Chalo, can we go for the next page? Chalo. Now, important result, very rarely it is needed, okay? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z, what is it? Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z. If it is written as 3 pi by 2, directly you can say this can only happen if it is pi by 2 and pi by 2. So it means that xyz is equal to 1. Okay, these are like standard results. I just written it for you. Sometimes directly they come. So directly you can put an answer and get the marks. Clear? Chalo, written. So whatever extra, if sometimes CT or Comedk goes haywire also, whatever extra formula needed, I've put up. So that you don't have to search, sir, this book I need to see, or that book you need to see, nothing you need to see. Clear? The formulas what I'm giving is sufficient for CT and Comedk. Not for JE and all, that is different case. There we have to go and we have to figure out the question level and everything is different. Here it is different. Clear everyone? Yes, no in the chat section. Yes, no. Still you have 20 days, students. So it's on the last lap of your race. Work hard and change the result as much as possible. Okay. Chalo. Now, if sometimes they'll give you sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z is pi by 2. And they've given that x square plus y square plus 2xyz is equal to 1. This can only happen if it is 30° all. If it is 30° all, otherwise not possible. Clear? Clear? This can only and only happen if it is 30°. So no other value. So x, y, z directly you can say it is half. This sometimes they give sine inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z is equal to pi. In that case, this whole big thing is equal to 2xyz. Clear? Now cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to pi by 2. In that case, x square plus y square definitely has to be equal to 1. Clear? So these are standard results which might be asked. You can use as a trick form. You can remember it and use as a trick form. Okay? Because in exam directly the moment you see, oh, this answer will be pi by 6 and x equal to y equal to z equal to half. Like that you can put the answer. Very important. If sometimes CT goes a bit haywire also, or Comedk goes, like let's say the student have what do you say, done a lot of masti in the schools, and 1 year there was less of schools, more of like their own sessions. So let's give a tough paper, they can go for it. So I've given a bit extra also. Clear? Chalo. Once you have written, do tell me. Once you have written, do tell me. So everybody got it, done, written, kids. Chalo, let's end it. Almost done, almost done. One last page. That's it, done. Now some formulas of cos and tan. If I have cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z is equal to pi, directly I can say x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xyz equal to 1. If same thing happens for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal to pi, I can say x plus y plus z equal to xyz. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal to 90 degree, then xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. That's it. And we are done with the ITF theory part. We are done with the ITF theory part. Come on, fast, everybody. We'll take a 5-minute break and then we'll be back for PYQ of ITF. We'll be back for PYQ for ITF, okay? Do inform all your friends, okay, about the class so that they can all join and they can go through the PYQs, okay? How the questions are coming and everything. And everybody, do it fast, write down fast this part. One last part. Don't give up, students. We are almost there. Okay. The last 20 days will be damn tough. It will be damn tough. And a lot of people, I'll say, from the gut feeling, a lot of people will leave that moment. No, it's too difficult now. Who will do? So if you're not among them, if you don't want to be among them, then just keep pushing. Your brain will say that we are done, no need to study more, but you have to keep doing. And you'll see after 20 days, your result will be different than others. Chalo. Written, everybody. Chances of coming in exam, see, bro, it's very difficult to say. Might be if sometimes 2021 paper a bit haywire was there, so might be can come. It can not also. Okay. So chances is rare. Least chances are there, but I've given in case if it goes tough, okay, then they can go this much only, not more than that. In case if they go haywire also, you'll be like, I'm ready, I'm prepared. That's it. Clear everyone? Chalo, done everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. So let's take a 5-minute break and be back with the PYQ, okay? Take a 5-minute break. If you want to drink water, drink it. If you want to drink, what do you say? Tea, coffee, drink it. Any other drink, okay? Anything with OH group, try not to have it. Anything with OH group, try not to have it, okay? Rest all is okay. Chalo. Ready, everybody? Yes, no, yes, 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 fast, fast. Join fast, everybody. We'll start the questions. Come on, fast. Come on, everybody. Join fast, join fast. Chalo. Let's start it. Okay. Whoever comes, if he's delayed, we can't do anything because we have less time. Chalo. The first question on your screen, a very simple, very easy question. Let me enhance it. Fast. Chalo, chalo, everybody start. The question is there on the screen. You have the time. Let's see. Okay, a lot of people have joined. Keshav got D. What about others? What about others? Only one answer I got. What about others? Pavitra got A. Keshav D. What about others? So many. This question looks damn difficult, no? But when we will solve, it is damn simple, easy question. Nishad got D. Chalo, chalo. Let's see. Let's see. A lot of people are getting answers. It's a damn simple. 0.96. 0.96. Let's see how do we solve it. Let's see how do we solve it. Okay. You won't be getting more time. So what I'll do, I'll take first step. Whenever you don't understand here and there, inside one, try to simplify. Inside one, try to simplify. What I could have done, sine inverse 0.8 can be taken as theta. Correct. So sine theta, if I send that side, will be what? 0.8. So cos theta will be what? Root under of 1 minus 0.8 square. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.64. Correct. So that is equal to what we will get? 0.36. That is equal to 0.6. Yes or no? Till this much everybody can easily do. And it is written as what? Sine of, I have taken that this whole thing as theta. So it is sine 2 theta. So that is nothing but 2 sine theta cos theta. So I already know what is sine theta value. I already know what is cos theta. So 2 into sine theta is what? 0.8 and cos theta is what? 0.6. So 8 6 are 48 into 2 96. So 0.96. Was it damn difficult, students? Was it damn difficult? Yes, no in the chat section. Was it that difficult? Tell me. Rohan bro, how you got? B. It's D. See, damn simple, no. Tell me kids, which step, which line you found it out difficult? Tell me which step, which line you found it out difficult. Bouncer. No bouncer, bro. See here. The moment you have taken inside part, I was not able to solve. What I did, I took sine inverse zero point 0.8 as theta. So if I send that inverse, that side, what will happen? Sine theta equal to zero point 0.8. So I remembered what this formula, class 10, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. So cos theta is equal to what? Root under of 1 minus sine square theta. So from there I got the cos theta value. Clear? Once I got the cos theta, the moment I put sine 2 into this is what? Theta I have taken. So sine 2 theta formula is what? 2 sine theta cos theta. I already know value of sine theta. I already know the value of cos theta. Done, put it. Got it, Ron, sir. Is it still a bouncer or a yorker? What about others? What about others? Come on, come on. Next question. Google was my idea. Not bad. Chalo. Try everybody. Try the next question. 2 minutes on the timeline. Fast, fast, everybody. Good, Ron. Come on, got it, Samiksha. Good, good. If you want, I can enhance the question a bit so that you all can see. Yeah, chalo. Come on, students. 1 minute left. Not more than that I can give. Still, I'm giving you more. From 38, like the 1st of June, I'll be not giving what is say more than a minute. 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, turnover, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. That's it. So this YouTube session will be going on till 12th of June. And 13th, 14th, 15th will be your mock test. Everybody do register for the mock test, okay? Get to know how the questions are coming, get the experience. The paper will be solely based on the previous year's question paper. Chalo. Pavitra ma'am got B. What about others? Nishad got B 1 by root 3. Oh, two B's are there. Okay, let me change it, kids. Okay, should not be confused. Which B you are referring? Do tell me. Okay, A is your 1, B is your root. What is it? B is 1 by root 3, and C is root 3, and D is minus 1. Which B, Sai Mahima and Pavitra? Now tell me, either you're referring to C or to B. Time is over. Will I solve? Come on, fast kids. Chalo, let me show you. Okay. Chalo, let's see. The first thing is what we need. X is greater than 0. Correct. So X is positive. So they're telling solve for X and they have given a value. X is negative. So remove it. Why to think so much? Correct. Why to make your life so complicated? X is greater than 0. Now other values are all positive. So done. Now what else? If I put X equal to 1 here, first simple method is option check. If I put X equal to 1 here, what will happen? If I put X equal to 1 here, what will happen? Tan inverse 1 minus 1 will be what? 0. So tan inverse 0, this side will be tan inverse 0 and this side will be half of tan inverse 1. So can these two be equal? Illa. Correct. Because tan inverse 0 is different and half of tan inverse 1 is different. It can never be same. So 1 also not possible. Now what about root 3? Now everybody root 3 value is what? 1.732. But I'll take 1.7. Let's say. So what I can write? Tan inverse of 1 minus 1.7 by 1 plus 1.7. Now if you see, I'm getting a tan inverse of a negative number. Now we know tan inverse of a negative number is tan inverse of a negative number is what? Negative only. Correct. So will that be possible? No. Clear. So this also not possible. So what is my answer? Just without solving anything here and there, this is my answer. This is option checking. Just I put the options and I did the checking. Clear everyone with the option checking? Yes or no? Yes or no? Fast. If anybody has doubt in the option checking, do tell me fast. Otherwise, I'll explain the two other methods also. Don't worry. Come on, come on, come on, fast in the chat section. Yes, no, yes, no. Come on, do right, kids, fast, fast, fast. I'm waiting for the replies. No reply, no reply, no reply. Any doubt in the option checking part, how we have done? First, I checked with x equal to 1. See, negative directly I removed, then checked with x equal to 1. We got this side tan inverse 0 and this side half of tan inverse 1, not matching. Then we went for root 3. Okay, root 3 is 1.7. The moment I got tan inverse of negative. See, tan inverse of negative value has to become to be negative, and this side it is positive. So can a negative equal to positive? Not possible. So only this value. Clear? Clear? Now let's see what are the other methods. Let's see what are the other methods. Okay. First method, what will go? We have tan inverse. 1 can be written as what? Tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4. In exam, you should know it. The moment we have 1 minus x by 1 plus x, what we can do? We can substitute. X, you take it as tan theta. Substitute x equal to tan theta. So it will be tan theta. So now this whole thing will crumble to, will bring into a small value. That is of what? Tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan of pi by 4 minus theta. This and this gone. So just pi by 4 minus theta is equal to half of, if I solve this side, tan inverse of x is what? Tan theta. So this two gone. So pi by 4 minus theta is equal to theta by 2. So what I got? Pi by 4 is equal to, if I send it that side, 3 theta by 2. Clear? So theta is equal to what I'll get? Pi by 6. So tan pi by 6 is equal to what? 1 by root 3. Clear? This is another method. Hello Raja. Again late for the class. This is another method. Clear? Anybody doubt? This is like normal method. How do we solve it? Clear? Yes, no. Everybody clear with this method? Everybody clear with the second method? Yes, no, yes, no. Come on. Here what we did? We substituted. We put x equal to tan theta. We put x equal to, in place of x we have put x equal to tan theta, and then whole thing got, and 1 we wrote it as tan pi by 4. So it became in the form of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So that is nothing but tan of a minus b. The tan inverse tan got cancelled, so pi by 4 minus theta. And this side also, if I put half of tan inverse of x in place of x tan theta, tan and tan inverse will be cut. So I got theta by 2. Now solve it. Clear? Clear? Chalo. Let's see one more method. Let's see one more method. What is that one more method? Send this to this side. So what you'll get? 2 tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to tan inverse x. Now what you can do? Use the 2 tan inverse x formula. What is that formula? Tan inverse of 2 of 1 minus x by 1 plus x by 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. And that is equal to tan inverse x. So this and this cut. Now this will go big, but I've just shown you the method. Okay, my what is the suggestion will be, go with option check, otherwise with the second. Third also you can go, but it will be more bigger than others. It will go more bigger than others. We can put solve by putting x equal to cos theta. We can do that also. 1 minus, instead of cos theta, put cos 2 theta. Karthike, instead of putting cos theta, put cos 2 theta. So 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta, you'll be able to, what is it, simplify more better. Clear? Chalo. Try it at home. All this, try it at home. If you're not getting, do approach me. Send a screenshot, sir, this place, this way I'm getting stuck. Okay, I'll help you. Chalo, next question, everybody on the screen. Next question, everybody on the screen. 2 minutes timer. Let's start. Yes, option checking is best, but not always. Okay. So we need to see if we are able to check, go with it. Okay, chalo. I'll just increase it. Chalo, everybody fast, fast, fast. Fast, students. 2 minutes timer you have. It's almost 1:30. Don't worry, I'll show you separately, Karthik. Don't worry. I'll show. And if you are getting stuck means we can't go by that method. First we'll try. If you are getting stuck means we can't go by that method. We'll try, don't worry. Try this question fast, everybody. So let me see. Okay. A lot of people not sure. Okay, let's see. So what we're gonna do here is we'll try to solve. Okay. So in this question, first, what we're gonna do, we'll use the normal x plus 1 whole square by x into x square plus 1 is equal to a by x plus b by bx plus c by x square plus 1. Now we need to find a and b values. Okay. So we'll try to find as minimum values if possible and get it done. So this is from the integrals part. Don't worry. I'll again teach when we'll go for integration. Do the LCM, kids. Just basic steps I'm doing. Don't worry, nothing complicated and something. I can do the LCM, no? X into x square plus 1. So a multiplied ax square plus a plus bx square plus cx. Anybody doubt till here? Come on, anybody doubt till here? Yes, no in the chat section fast. I want everyone's answer fast in the chat section. Till here, anybody has any doubt? Till here, anybody has any doubt? Come on, fast. I just wrote what it is and did the LCM. That's it. Come on, yes, no, fast. Yes, no, fast. Till here, nobody has doubt. Okay, chalo. Okay, good. Now cancel bottom. Clear? Cancel the bottom. Now what you got? X square plus 2x plus 1. Very simple. I opened it up. Is equal to ax square plus bx square plus cx plus a. Now compare the x square term and x square term has to be same. So here it is 1x square and here it is a plus b into x square. So I can say a plus b is equal to 1 because coefficient on both sides has to be same. Clear? Chalo. Next, x term, cx is equal to 2x. So x got cancelled. So c equal to 2. Clear? Third, nothing else we can do here. So we got c here. So can we help anything with c? So we can put here secant inverse 2. So secant inverse 2 will give me what? Secant inverse 2 will give me what? I got secant inverse 2, correct? So I got c equal to 2. What I can do one more thing. When I have here equation, students, understand. I'll try to put. Okay. Something I missed up. Okay, yes. It is like this. A is there. Correct. So what you can see, the constant term a is here and constant term 1 is here. So a equal to 1. See, we got one more value. So constant term a is here and we got one more value. Okay. So we got a, we got c. Can't we find b? Directly, yes. A plus b is equal to 1. No, a already is 1. So b is equal to what? 0. So put the values here now. Clear? Not, what do you say, difficult, but a bit lengthy. So cosec inverse 1 plus cot inverse 0, 1 by 0 plus secant inverse what? 2. So cosecant inverse 1 is what, students? Cosecant inverse 1 is what? Yes, no, fast. 90, no. Plus cot inverse 1 by 0, 0 only. If I convert, that is tan inverse 0, so 0 only. Plus sec inverse 2 is what? Cos inverse half. This I can written as cos inverse half. So that is at what value? Pi by 3. So pi by 2 plus pi by 3 is what? 5 pi by 6. Done answer. Pi by 2 plus pi by 3 is what? 5 pi by 6. Done. Now tell me who got and how many people got a bouncer. See, here I just did the LCM. After that, it's just normal finding out the values. normal finding out the values. Okay, I saw a alone is there and here one constant term, so a is equal to 1. Then I saw, okay, the coefficient of x square here is 1 and the coefficient of x square here is a plus b, so a plus b equal to 1. Cx is equal to 2x, x term equate, so we'll get c equal to 2. Got the answers? Clear? Pi by 2, Keshav, how you're getting pi by 2? Okay, oh, that value is okay. Everybody got it? Yes, no in the chat section. Everybody got it? Yes, no in the chat section. Fast, 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 kids. Yes, no, kids, sir. Chalo, 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 everybody. Got it, got it. Got it, everybody? Chalo. Anybody has doubt? I'll go for the next question. Chalo. Next question on the clock. Everybody 2 minutes fast. Everybody fast, fast. Try the next question. Fast, everyone. Try the next question. Keep up your energy, kids. We are going a bit more. We have to do a lot today. So keep up your energy fast. This Saturday, Sunday will be a mega day. So we'll be doing a lot of topics. Morning, evening, night. Okay. Chalo. Chalo, Rohan gave C answer. Not bad, kid. Very fast you gave the first one to answer. What about others? What about others? I told you one formula will come very handy. What was that formula? Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Very, very important. So what you'll do here, first part, simplify, write it down. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So can I write this whole thing as sine inverse x plus again one sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is less than equal to beta greater than equal to alpha. So this here to here is what? Pi by 2. Correct. So what I got sine inverse x plus pi by 2 is less than equal to beta greater than equal to alpha. Now students, you need to understand what is the minimum and maximum value of sine. This concept is difficult. Very easy, very easy. See, just you need to remember what is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x pi by 2. Break it up. It is 2 sine inverse means 2 times sine inverse is there. So can I write it as sine inverse x plus sine inverse x? Yes. So one sine inverse x I'll add with cos. Another I'll keep it as it is. Clear? Done. So sine inverse x plus pi by 2 is less than equal to beta. And what do you say? Greater than equal to alpha and less than equal to beta. Till here everybody got yes, no. Till here everybody got yes, no, fast. Clear? Everybody got it till here? Chalo. Now I told you to mug up or remember or to understand what is the minimum and maximum value of sine. I told sine inverse x can take a minimum value of minus pi by 2, maximum value of pi by 2. Clear? Clear? So if I put the minimum value, I'll get alpha. And if I put the maximum value, I'll get beta. So if I put the minimum value, this is my minimum. So what will happen? Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So it will be what? 0. So that will be the alpha. And if I put the maximum, so here pi by 2 plus pi by 2, I'll get beta because this is the max, highest. So it will be pi. So that is D. Alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to pi. Clear everyone? Yes, no in the chat section. Did you get Nishat? Now did you get it? Yes, no, everybody in the chat section. Rohan, did you get it? Lucky, Keshav. Danish, got it. What about others? Nishat ma'am, do you want me to explain again? Do tell me. Just this part, last part. Always understand. See, this whole value is greater than this. So minimum value will come this side and maximum, it is smaller than this. So maximum will come here. So for minimum, I took the minimum of this. So I got pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So 0 here. And for maximum, I took the max pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi. Clear? Got it, everybody? Chalo. Clear? Chalo. Next question on the screen. Want to copy this 1 minute. Okay, fast. No issues. Copy it. Now let's see. I'll again explain if anybody has doubt. Okay, Danish is telling bouncer. Okay, let's see again. This question for those who are getting doubt, I'll just show it once again. What we do it with me. Okay, for those who are having difficulty, do it with me. First step is you should know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This should be there in your brain. Done. And this part you can write it as 2 sine inverse is there, no? So you can write sine inverse x plus sine inverse x plus cos inverse x less than equal to beta greater than equal to alpha. So here to here this part, here to here this part will be equal to what? Pi by 2. So can I write till here sine inverse x plus pi by 2 is less than equal to beta and greater than alpha. Till here I think so everybody will get. Till here I think so everybody will get. Correct? Once you got till here, now you need to remember sine inverse x, what is the minimum value? Sir, the minimum value, the range, if you remember, it's minus pi by 2. You need to remember the range. And the maximum value, sir, if we remember from the range, it's pi by 2. So for this side, in order to find the minimum value, we'll put the minimum of sine. So what is minimum of sine? Minus pi by 2. Put it. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. How much we'll get? 0. So that is nothing but alpha value. That is nothing but alpha value. How do we find alpha value? Alpha value is nothing but put minimum sine inverse minimum plus pi by 2. And what about beta? That is equal to sine inverse maximum plus pi by 2. So what is the maximum? Pi by 2 only plus pi by 2. So that is equal to pi. Now everybody got it. Now everybody got it. Yes, no, yes, no. Now everybody got it. Yes, no, fast in the chat section. Danish, did you get it? Rohan, crystal clear. Very good, kid. Good. What about others? Chalo, good. I'll move on to the next question. Let's see the next question on the screen. A very simple, very easy question. Try it, everybody. Let's see. Good, Nishat ma'am. Kartike got it. Pavitra got it. Good. Keep up the hard work like this only. See, even if you're not getting in one go, practice. Again, practice. Next day, again ask. So less time is there. 20 days. Your each and every second should be how sir has done, what I need to do, which step. Whenever you're not getting a question, don't make it a very big issue. Okay. Like, yeah, I'm not getting the question. Which step I'm not getting? The moment you ask your brain which step I'm not getting, it'll pinpoint this step. The moment you clarify that step, whole question gone. So instead of making it a whole drama and issue, what do you do? Figure out the solution. Which step wrong? Ask yourself, which step wrong? This step I'm not getting. Let's see. What sir has done in this step? Done. So clarity will come. Okay. A lot of people have put up answers. Come on, fast, fast. Okay, okay, okay. Chalo, let me show it. Very simple, very easy. Here, they want you to just need to know how to convert sine inverse to cos or cos inverse to sine. I told you, that theorem sine inverse x plus cos inverse x will help you solve 60% of the problem. Will help you solve 60% of the problem. Here, anyone. See, by looking this, I'm thinking that this is easy. So what I'll do, I'll take sine inverse of 1 by 3 as theta. So what will be my sine theta? Sine theta equal to 1/3. Draw a triangle. I'm very good in drawing triangles, so I'll draw straight lines only, no? So done. So this is my theta. Sine theta means what? You should keep in brain. That's why I gave the basic formulas. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is it? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is my perpendicular for this? Opposite by longest one. So opposite is 1, longest one is 3. So what about this one? Root under of 3 square minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is what? 8. 8 is what? 2 root 2. 8 is what? 2 root 2. Clear, huh? 2 root 2. 8 is what? 2 root 2. Got it till here. So now what I find can say about cos theta. Cos theta will be what? Base by hypotenuse. 2 root 2 by 3. So theta will be what? Cos inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So can I write sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3 plus, instead of sine inverse whole thing is theta. I can write in terms of cos inverse, that is equal to cos inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So did we get sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is what, student? Pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is what, student? Pi by 2. Was it that difficult? Yes, no in the chat section. किधर हो राजा bro? Chalo, yes, no in the chat section. Fast, fast, fast. Everybody reply the answer. Did you get it? Yes, no. Here, just CT wanted or Comedk wanted us to know whether we are able to convert the sine inverse to cos inverse or cos inverse to sine inverse. That's it. Nothing more than that. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Yes, no in the chat section fast. Yes, no in the chat section fast. And for those who have skipped due to what you say not well or any other exam, do watch it, the recordings, each and everything. We have finished, what do you say, mat, we have finished mat, matrices, determinant, sets, relations, functions, limits, continuity and differentiability. Now we have finished ITF and trigo. So do revise all this. It is more than 30 plus marks, more than 30 plus. Clear? Chalo. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. What about Rohan, Sai Mahima, others? Samiksha, any doubt? Chalo. Let's see one more question. Let's see who can solve this one. A very simple, very easy question. Let's see who can solve it. So let's see what we got. Nishad got B, Kartike B, Pavitra, don't know B or C. Okay, chalo. Very simple, very easy questions. Okay, now in this question, what we need to do first is option check, student. Very easy, very simple option check. Option check because they didn't say anything means it is valid for everything. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. If they don't give any condition, directly put option. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4 minus 0. So pi by 4, done answer. Clear? Was it that difficult? Yes, no in the chat section. Was it that difficult? Yes, no in the chat section. Pavitra ma'am, why B or C? Huh? Very simple, no. Just put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. We don't have to do so much. Why people are getting stressed? See, they didn't say any condition. They didn't say any condition. Means valid for everything. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1, I'll put and check. Yes or no? Come on, people. Be like live people, not stones. No replies. Fast. Come on, come on. Yes, no, yes, no. What you are getting, not getting. Okay, Pavitra ma'am said, what about others? Keshav, no doubt. You should have got the answer in the first step, no, Keshav? What, no doubt? Huh? If all of you were there in the offline class, no. Very simple question, correct? Then after seeing the question, never get scared. Correct? Why getting scared? Question big, then what happened? Answer damn simple, no? Correct? Just put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, my whole problem is solved. Clear everyone? Yes, no, clear everyone? Chalo. Now what if somebody says, sir, this is your fake method. What about the original method, sir? Solve it. Let's see. So tan inverse x by y, but exam don't do it, huh? This is just to show tan inverse x minus y by x plus y. So what I'll do? Tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse. I'll divide whole thing by y. So what I'll get? X by y minus 1 by x by y plus 1. So what I'll get? Tan inverse x by y plus tan inverse. Okay. What I'll get? I can write it as 1 as tan pi by 4. I introduce the minus inside. So tan pi by 4, it will be positive, minus tan x by y. Sorry, just x by y. By 1 plus tan pi by 4, tan x by y. Clear? Now everybody can say it will be tan inverse x by y. And this will be what? Tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse x by y. So this and this got cancelled. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 is what? Pi by 4. I can solve by this also. But my suggestion, don't go by this. No need to go so big. Clear? Clear everyone? Yes, no in the chat section. Clear everyone? This other step also. Very simple. See, whenever you see tan inverse, something plus, what is it? Something minus something divided by something plus something, always convert into pi by 4 plus 1. Always pi by 4 plus x. Always it will go by that method. If it is x minus y, divide one of them by x or y, you will get it. Clear everyone? Yes, no in the chat section fast. Clear Pavitra. What about others? Others. Everybody got it. Kartike, Keshav, Nishat, Danish, Rohan. Chalo. Let's see. One last question for this. 1, 2, 3 more questions we have. That's it. After that, it is done. Hi, Kiran. Good. You also got it. Good. Try this question again. Very, very, very simple. Same concept which I told you. Just like sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Use that. You'll get it in seconds. Do it fast. I think so everybody got the answer, but still let me show you. So what I'll do, this 3 tan inverse x, I'll break it. What I'll write, 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, and that is equal to pi. Tan inverse plus cot inverse is what, student? Pi by 2. So 2 tan inverse x plus pi by 2 is equal to pi. Send it that side. 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4. Now we all know x equal to 1. That's it. Clear? No doubt, nothing in this. Correct? Nobody has any doubt in this? Yes, no in the chat section. Chalo, everybody gave correct answer. Sheikh Danish, where are your answers? Who all didn't answer? Mahima ma'am answered. Pavitra, no answers. It's simple question it was. What about others? Kartike, Lucky didn't answer. Come on, everybody who is there in the chat, do answer. Try, right or wrong, doesn't matter, doesn't care. We're here to learn, okay, and we'll learn and we'll go. So it doesn't matter. Don't bring ego or shame or anything else. Chalo, everybody got it? Yes, no in the chat section. Everybody got it? Chalo, everybody got it. Chalo. Let's see the next one. A very simple and easy question, again based on that. Okay, try it, everybody. Chalo, everybody got the answers. Everybody got the answers. A option. Okay. So what we'll do here? Everybody got it. Do you want me to explain? It's very simple. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is given as 4 pi by 5. So what I'll do? Tan inverse x I'll write pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. And tan inverse y I'll write pi by 2 minus cot inverse y is equal to 4 pi by 5. So pi minus cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equal to 4 pi by 5. So cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equal to pi minus 4 pi by 5, that is equal to pi by 5. That's so everybody got this answer correct. One last question and we'll be ending this part. So can anybody tell me what will be the answer of this? Can anybody tell me what will be the answer for this? Very simple, directly formula based question. Directly formula based question. Directly formula based question. Tell me what should be the answer. How tan into cot? Same bro, same formula. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So tan inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. So everybody got Anish B. Everybody got this B. Correct. This is directly formula, bro. You don't have to mug it up. Directly formula. What I said, 0 to pi, and what should be not there? The middle value, pi by 2. Because at pi by 2, it is not defined. That's it. Clear? Chalo, everybody. Do you have energy for AOD or will keep it for tomorrow? ITF is done. Do you have energy for AOD or will keep it tomorrow? Yes, no, put it fast. Do you have energy for today or will keep it tomorrow? We'll keep it tomorrow only, okay? Continue, Nishat. What about others? Pavitra, clear, sir. Chalo, everybody will keep it tomorrow. Keep it till here for today. Good night. Thank you all, okay? Sleep off. For those who are following a morning routine, get up fast, okay? Chalo. Tomorrow will be there. Morning classes again there. So wake up, okay? See you all tomorrow.